Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the section called apps. Now let's tap on see all 48 apps, of course 48 in my case, and here in the right section, in the right upper corner, we've got 3 dots again, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device will basically inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in this Vivo device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.